There's a quiet in the vacuum, like a river underneath the floor, invisible and steady. It stretches out forevermore. Particles pass like swimmers through that patient, endless sea. Some slip on by unburdened, some feel the drag and they believe. You don't see it in the light, but it shapes the very game. A constant background hum, a value with a name. In the sea of weight, they find their rhythm, find their place. A gentle tug, a whispered fate. They wear the world like lace. Past is not a thing they carry alone. It's how they dance with what surrounds. In the sea of weight, in the field that holds the ground. W and Z, they once were roaming, massless in the early dawn. Then the symmetry was broken, and the silent field was drawn. It gives them heft, it gives them reach, it takes a part of what they are. Photons glide with no remorse, they never feel that scar. Like a meadow that is filled, a constant value in the void. A vacuum expectation, the quiet that employed. In the sea of weight, they find their rhythm, find their place. A gentle tone, a whispered fate. They wear the world like lace. Vermin's couple softly through a link the math provides. Yukawa's hand, a measured bond, where tiny strings decide. The Higgs is not a magic box, not the whole of what we weigh. Protons hold their mass inside in strong force fires that play. Most of what you call your weight is energy confined within, but the field gives elementary bones, the scaffold from which mass begins. Feel it like a current under skin, a vacuum steady glow. A boson trembles once, a ripple that the detectors know. 2012 it whispered back, a particle that proves the sea. An excitation on the calm, a clue to what must be. In the sea of weight, they find their rhythm, find their place. A gentle tug, a whispered fate. They wear the world like lace. Higgs boson, the quiver, a sign that tells the tale aloud. A fingerprint on empty space, a quiet echo in the crowd. Different species, different ties. The coupling sets the tone. Top quark heavy, electron small. The field's embrace is shown. No universal explanation for composite masses stored. Quantum goo and restless fields, they give us even more. So when you stand upon the ground, remember what's beneath. Not just the matter that you touch, but the feel that lends the heft to the sea of weight. They find their rhythm, find their place. A gentle tug, a whispered fate. They wear the world like lace. It's not a greedy hand that grabs its symmetry undone. A vacuum filled with purpose, a background like the sun. When the field chose a value, the patterns rearranged. Some gained the cost of motion, some stayed wild and unchanged. Mass arises from interaction. Elementary particles couple to the Higgs field. Their varying strengths of coupling, they determine their masses. W and Z bosons acquire mass through electroic symmetry. Breaking photons don't couple, so they stay massless. The Higgs boson is the field's excitation. Much of the mass of everyday objects, protons, neutrons, comes from quantum chromodynamics, the binding energy of quarks and gluons, not directly from a Higgs alone. In the sea of weight, we find our rhythm, find our place. We feel the tug, we bear the fate. Through this unseen embrace, from whisper to a thunderclap, a boson told the truth aloud. The field beneath the all of us, it holds the world, it holds the cry. So when you lift your hand and feel the pull of earth and time, know that somewhere under everything there's a patient, constant rhyme. An ocean that gives shape to motion, a quiet force that frames. We walk because we touch that sea and call the touch by me.